Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove watermark on HitPaw. So go to the watermark remover, make sure you've logged in. You can choose file here or remove the watermark. Actually, I'm just going to choose a file here. Let's see. I'm just gonna go with this. So we're just going to select that file and it's going to basically just remove it. I can't do it right now, but you can use sample videos to try and see first here. Like here, video watermark remover. But that's pretty much it really. You do need to upgrade it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.